Hey Justin, this is Miss Postma. So getting started on your outline, you're going to want to be in Google Docs. I don't believe there's a doc for you in your Google Classroom, so you're going to have to make a new doc and then relabel it with your last name and outline. So the number one thing that this outline that we're pushing is the format and then what's in it. So to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this numbered list option right here, click the arrow, and go down to the Roman numerals. So you'll see that the numbered list function is highlighted and then you get your first Roman numeral. So that should say introductory, if I can type, paragraph. So then when you want to move into the next spot on your outline, you just hit the enter button once. So you'll see that brings you to Roman numeral number 2. Carter, stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it. So
Stop it, Mama.
when you want to indent for your A, you'll hit the tab function once. Okay. So once you're in A, what you're going to do is type your topic sentence. Carter. So that would be the topic sentence of your introductory paragraph. And then you're going to have your thesis. So what I did there, you're going to hit enter again. You'll see that gives you B. Hit tab once more. And then you'll put in your thesis statement. Okay, so this is a thesis statement that we worked on in class. The exact thesis statement from your packet. The one that I approved a couple times. So then hit enter again. You'll see that gives you 2. So then actually what you need to do is go back 2. So if you hit enter once and then twice, that'll bring you back to your Roman numeral there. Make sure every time that you move through this that the numbered function is lit up. If it's not lit up, then you're out of outline function, and then it's not going to work out for you. So you have your introductory paragraph, and then it's counterclaim. Same way. Then you'll hit A. It'll be the topic sentence. And then here you're actually going to put your source for this, okay? So same thing. Hit enter twice more. That'll bring you back to 3. You put background paragraphs, okay? A, topic sentence, 1, source. So you have 3 background paragraphs. So what you'll do is you'll do the A, B source, and then C source. Okay? So then for your sources, make sure that you're setting them up so that when you do your source, you have the end of your quote, your end quotation mark, and a space, your first parenthesis, and then here is either the author's last name only, and then the page number if you have it, followed by your end parenthesis, period, or the article title and quotation marks, followed by the page number if you have it, then your end parenthesis, then your final punctuation. So you're going to do this for each of your arguments. So then you'll be down here and it'll be argument 1, same thing, topic sentence, source. I apologize for my poor spelling on this. Same thing with the source here. So then you're going to have to remind me tomorrow what we decided for your tree map, because I know that you have 4 arguments. Everybody has 4 arguments, and then they should have 2 paragraphs per argument. So for each argument, you should have 2 paragraph topic sentences and then 2 sources. So then make sure that what you're doing is just putting A topic sentence, B topic sentence, because A, B, and C tell me that each is going to be a new paragraph, okay? So then you'll do this for the rest of your paper. Let me know if you have any questions. I should be available for email for you for a little while yet, and then let me know what you need to know about your source sheets, all right? Good luck. I will hear from you later. Have a good night.